Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to show you first how we can change the name of our sheet. Suppose this is the sheet we worked in my previous video, and the name of this sheet is sheet 1, and we can name it. Just double click here, you can edit it. It's a simple thing. Now click enter. You can see the name of the sheet is different now. You can add more sheets. Just click in the plus sign. Today I'm going to show you some important things, like you can change the format, and you can change the number, etc. Like here I'm going to show you this use of these options today. Let's say date and currency. You can add some dates. You can change the format. Just click on the cell and click on the right button of your mouse. You can see an option which is called format cells. Just click here. This is the date, right? We can change the format in these types. There are so many formats. If you want to watch the date like this format, just click here. February 1st, 2025. Again, you can do the same thing from here. Short date, long date, right? Click here. Saturday, March 6, 2027. If you want to use more formats or another format, let's try again. Okay, you can see the year here, but only 3rd April will be shown in the cell. So you can use so many formats. This is not only for date. You can use formats for other numbers too. I'm going to type some numbers randomly. Select the first number. Go to format cells. Okay, you can see so many options, and you can use it properly. Just click the currency. If you want to see the negative value, you have to click here. I'm going to edit this one. I wrote 25, and now I want to see it in minus 25. You can see the bracket here. Again, we can use this format. I want to see the negative number in a red mark. Clear? You can change it as you can see, and this is very simple. If anyone want to see the date and time, he or she can use a shortcut, and I'm going to show you the shortcut here. Suppose you want to see the current date, just click Control and this button. This is 29th January 2026. This is more easier, and this is very simple. You can see. I'm going to change the name of the sheet. Just double click here and name the sheet. I want to give the name of the sheet is formed. Just click enter, and this is the final name. Okay, this is it for this video. You can ask questions in the comment section. Write there what you can see or what you want to see. I will check your comment and I will show you in my next video. Like, comment and share, and do subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.